Hey Arthur, so I believe this is your Facebook page. I wasn't able to find a website for you. I typed in flooring contractor, Lafayette. There'd be ads up here first, then there's a GMB, then there's organic ranking. I grabbed this guy. It's interesting about him. I'll show you in a second, but first let's look at his website. So looking at his website, he doesn't have much content you have when it comes to Google, the better. But he's only got 480 words. It's not terrible, but the more it would, I would add more content if I was him. I like home pages to be about 1,000, but it's up to you. I was gonna show you if I can find any images, but I don't. Oh, here we go. Hey, that's an image. That's not saved right. You'd want this to be saved with the keyword as well. It's just an opportunity to have another keyword in your on your website, on your web page. So you do flooring contractor Lafayette or whatever keyword you're trying to rank for, as well as the more content you have, the more keywords you can put in your content. But here's kind of what's interesting. So putting him in here, he really doesn't have anything for backlinks. He's got 7 and 2 referring domains, so he's hardly got anything. Um, and he only has 8 UR.3 DR, so it's got to be super easy to beat. But you can always come in here and grab the backlinks that he does have and go find other competitors. Lots of them normally have 1,000, in the thousands or at least several hundred. You can grab the high DR, high UR scores. Not all backlinks are created equal. You don't want spammy ones. You want high scoring ones, high stronger ones, and then you want to make them relevant to your industry. You want a web page linking back to you that has something to do with your industry. You don't want like fast food linking back to you. You'd want something like another construction company or a flooring company or floor contractor or a web page talking about flooring linking back to you. And then you can just come in here and see what these backlinks are. This is just a directory, so you could go to Rate a Biz and figure out how to get on there. There's some way you can get yourself put on there and then get a backlink back to you. You can go check out all the other competitors and grab their backlinks. When other ways you can get backlinks would be guest posts, blog commenting, sponsors, news articles. There's a ton of ways to get them. Directories will give you them too. Just remember you don't want spammy ones and you want them relevant to your industry. Let's check out this guy's keywords. This is another thing that's kind of interesting. He doesn't. So start at the top. I'll talk about it later. Flooring, Lafayette, Louisiana, 150 volume, 10 KD. So that's pretty easy to rank for. This guy's not even on the first page for any of this stuff. The keyword that I found him for, it's not listed on here. So this thing's not 100% perfect, but it's pretty good. I just missed that keyword. But this one's flooring companies in Lafayette, Louisiana, 20 volume, 5 KD. Kitchen remodeling, if you do that, 40 volume, 40 people search that a month, 0 KD, so very easy to get on the first page. The higher the KD, the harder it is to get on the first page. And lower KD like this would be simple. Kitchen cabinets, if you do that, bathroom remodeling, 30. Lafayette flooring in Lafayette, 30 and 7. Flooring Lafayette Inn, 70 and 4. Bathroom remodeling, 60 and 1. 0. Contractors Lafayette, 80 and 0. So that's a nice one right there. Remodeling Lafayette, 20 and 0. Tile Lafayette, 60 and 120. So there's a whole bunch of them in here. And you can go check out, find more from other competitors. This guy just had decent keywords, all categories. It was just easier to see them. And there's obviously some keywords missing there. The next thing would be the GMB. I go in here. It's free to do, free to make one. Just go to Google My Business. And you just have to get verified. They'll send you a postcard. You want to make sure you set it up 100%. You don't want to skip steps. And then for content, for the GMB is the photos. So you want to add as many photos as you can, and you want to have them saved correctly with keywords, so that Google will find you for that. Next thing would be citations. So the more citations are just directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, BBB. Facebook can give you a citation. Home Advisor, there's a whole bunch of them out there that will give you citations. You want to make sure that you have the name on your GMB the same as on the directories, your phone number, and your location. It's pretty easy to do. It's time consuming. But yeah, hopefully that helps. If you want, we can set up a phone call or video call and talk more. If not, thanks for watching and have a good rest of your day.